Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So tonight we have this very nice Bugatti Chiron Sport back here in London today, and we're hopefully going to be getting a start up and going for a drive around the city of London, hopefully capture some good loud accelerations and sounds. Now just take a look at the presence of this car. I just think this car looks so good, especially this being the sport variant. You could just see the whole front of the car, that wide body. I really do like the Bugatti Chirons. Now this one is from Kuwait, and I've actually sat in this car a few years ago. We have a very nice orange interior, and I just love these chrome wheels, everyone. Just take a look at the chrome wheels with the orange calipers. Now I think if you're going to spec a Bugatti Chiron or any Bugatti, you've got to go for the chrome wheels. It just makes a big difference to differentiate between a normal Chiron and a sport. The most common way is by just looking at the fuel cap. It says right there Chiron Sport, and we have the nice orange stripe that goes down it, matching the interior, and the quad exhaust. Now this car just looks really good. So we also have a Rolls-Royce Phantom there, looking very nice. And before we're about to get a start up, I just want to quickly show you, we have a very nice 2-digit number plate. Now I haven't seen a 2-digit number plate in a very long time. Comment down how much you guys think the number plate on this car is actually worth, but make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give this video a like. We're about to start this up right now.